Bees are the unsung heroes of the planet. Join me as I take on the challenge of spending a whole day learning about bees and their incredible impact on our planet. Bees are often overlooked as tiny, insignificant creatures, but they're actually the unsung heroes of our planet. Without them, our ecosystem would be drastically different and not for the better. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating plants, which is essential for our food supply and the health of our environment. It's time to give these incredible insects the recognition they deserve. When we think about bees, we usually think about honey, bee stings, and maybe even their iconic buzzing sound. But what we often forget is that bees are facing some huge challenges that threaten their very existence. Habitat loss is a massive problem, as natural habitats like forests and meadows are being destroyed to make way for urbanization and agriculture. Pesticides are another major issue, as they can be toxic to bees and other pollinators. And then there's climate change, which is disrupting the delicate timing of plant-bee interactions and making it harder for bees to survive. The impact of these challenges is already being felt, with bee populations declining at an alarming rate. This isn't just a problem for bees, it's a problem for us too. Because without bees, many of our favorite foods would disappear. Imagine a world without apples, blueberries, or almonds. It's a scary thought. The consequences of inaction would be severe, with our food supply and ecosystems suffering greatly. In addition to these broad challenges, different species of bees face unique threats. For example, some species are specialized to pollinate specific crops, so if those crops disappear, the bees do too. Other species are solitary, meaning they don't live in colonies like honeybees do, and they're often more vulnerable to habitat loss and pesticide use. By understanding these different species and their needs, we can better tailor our conservation efforts to protect them. The diversity of bees is staggering, with over 20,000 known species worldwide. From the tiny Perdita minima to the massive Xylocopa gigas, each species has its own unique characteristics and roles to play in pollination. But as bee populations decline, we're losing not just individual species, but entire ecosystems. The ripple effects of bee extinction would be felt throughout the food chain, leading to a less biodiverse and less resilient planet. If you're still not convinced of the importance of bees, let me share a mind-blowing fact with you. If bees were to disappear, humanity would only have about 4 years left to live. That's right, without bees, our food supply would collapse and our ecosystems would rapidly deteriorate. It's a scary thought, but it highlights just how critical bees are to our survival. In conclusion, bees are the unsung heroes of our planet, and it's time we gave them the recognition they deserve. From pollinating our crops to supporting biodiversity, bees play a vital role in our ecosystem. Let's take action to protect these incredible creatures and ensure a healthy, thriving planet for generations to come. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on bees in the comments below. If you're as passionate about environmental topics as I am, be sure to check out my other videos for more content like this.